My name is Stefan. I'm director of Penumbra Europe, based in Germany. We're an American company, headquartered based in San Francisco. And I'm here for training of physicians from all over my territory, from several countries, from Central, Northern, Eastern Europe. I'm here because we work we collaborate with this facility since several years, and it's by far the most developed and best place to train our physicians and students in interventional technologies for stroke and embolization treatment. The setup is very professional, the people are very friendly, very professional, the proctors are absolutely high-end, and I'm always happy to be here because everything is prepared, everything works fantastic, and that's the reason we come here for several years, and looking forward to further cooperation in the next years.